Tvgh, yes, we inspire you more. In fact, you're part a year prophet one Ebenezer Opambour. Papa, we our fans part just say, I know day. Say your name say, Ora John Dramani Mahama, Edson Safra, so for Nina, a one crahana said, Ghana so for Nina. Na ye hwehwem na eye ye papa Opambour one when timi ama enkra hase na tese niema gugu apon so a ye papa eye Mahama wodi bi anaso di program ni bi ebekoso ewo Kumasi e bi enu ntina ye papa prophet aman Kumasi de enso ehye so ana enye asam keto akra na program ikoso na ye papa Opambour ye late kaka na papa pie dem ho no wodi emi yi che o nkasa wo be say yes ye papa nkasa wo fast. Yeah, Papa Prophet Opambour say wono wa hye nkom say nsuomu ewiemu wono wo jane puppet so aka wiase mu ahonhom nyina wo manu atom a ebesi kwanye owura John Dramani embeto na dwuma paso aba beye no sa ahonhom nyina wa kom manu atom eye 2024 abatro die say ye po say ye mpo say wusu say wusru John Dramani Mahama wono na wo ba betena ekonwa so sanso no say wo bisa question say eye Ghana card na ebi mode ye politics other parties in their politics say ye nya Ghana card na ye benya card free ye benya say free what person bisa say eye no kra na say enye no kra vim lady ya ne papa enya beef kakra vim lady say aya Ghana card won sem sebe wo mu so bi bisa nsem bi efa Ghana card ho a say ni pakro no wo hu no say na dwene ewo form na je say entintan so nipa no dodo na apache say vim lady eye prophet Ebenezer Opambour na sema na so no ka chen say na dwen wo form na ano odi mayentie vim emra.
In the meantime, prophet one you say prophet one Kumasi no he's also Opambour asempa this we coordinate about the same way prophet one no ya ne shenanigans near the end but I think that this issue about Ghana card anybody who condemns Ghana card no said you brumanu said you why you know form because look IP identification, that is what has made Europe near Broche. That Ghana card should not even be a contentious issue. Ghana card should not be a contentious issue. Broche no be a card in Dubai. Hey, who do I be that ID card? There should not be. This is the bogus issue. This is the Ghana Fosika. NBC Fosika woman, the Fosika woman. None line the four almost floating. Obiaska woman, the Ghana card. It has come to stay. Let it be there. Let it be there. What I say, it has come to stay. Let it be there. Ghana card should not be an issue. So let's focus on the actual issue, which is economy, unemployment. Those are the issues about Ghana accordingly. It was a cardinal sin against himself. And it was a cardinal sin against Baumia. It was a sin to Akufo. It's a sin to the people of Ghana, and it is a sin to Baumia. Who second time I want another one here and for the dry baumia. One here and for the dry baumia. Most of it. Now, if you have sentiments, well, a friend, a sentiment which is on the ground, no, and Shannon Koyema, number two, and our second time, incumbency disadvantage so real. Because one day, incumbency disadvantage so real. What you do, say you make sure you reduce what analysis you are making. You reduce your weaknesses. You reduce your threats. What am not only commander in chief Ghana Shawsa? Set up for some honor will start you. You can be said you are rejecting it. I told you to a we and Baumia we know, Mahama we know. You have about 1 month or a week to hand over. Sometimes so bit Marco to statue. But you chose say in the middle of elections, 1 month to elections, I found our papa yet a statue. That's not good. Before Bian Takpadi is originally an NPP stronghold. So Nkobia shouldn't even get anything wrong to say about statue, no. But if you hear what people are saying, it shows this that's incumbency disadvantage. We are here and bombardment back from all cylinders.
As some way, update TV at Bebra Yen say a Opambour, they are vim lady. Or then do me be go upon so. A creature, Macra.